Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Wallpaper Engine black screen. So let's start. The first method, go to the Windows search bar, search for settings. After that, go to the left menu and select Windows Update. Now you need to check for the latest updates you have. If you have failed updates, make sure to select Retry All. Wait for the updates to be downloaded. The next method, make sure to open the Steam launcher. Now check you have the latest version, so go to the Steam logo. After that, check for Steam client updates. If you have an older version, you can find the download button next to close button right here. Otherwise you're okay, so click on close. After that, go to library and go to collections. Search for Wallpaper Engine. I will use this game as an example. So select this gear icon right here, which is manage, and then select properties. Now this tab will pop up. Go to launch options, and then in this search tab type in -dx11. Now once you do that, go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. That way any corrupted file will be recovered safely and your black screen problem should be finished. Just wait for the process to finish, as you can see here. For the next step, go to the Windows search bar and type in NVIDIA app if you do have a GeForce graphics card. Now once this opens, go to drivers. After that, make sure you install the latest available driver you find right here. So select download or install. After that, make sure you click on continue or initiate the installation process. For the last method, go to the search, type in device manager, look for processors. After that, select the first one, right click, after that select update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers, wait for it, and then click on close. And for the last step, you just need to go to the Windows icon right here. After that, you just need to restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.